Today we're going to go over the installation of the Quart Jeep JL Wrangler 12-inch subwoofer enclosure. So let's get right to it. First, we're going to remove 4 T20 Torx screws, holding the subwoofer in the enclosure. Then disconnect the wiring from the subwoofer. After that, we're going to install 4 7mm rubber plugs into the inside of the enclosure. Then install the white gasket material into the channel of the grille. Disconnect the negative battery terminal of the vehicle. If no trail rail is in use, use a panel tool to unclip the cover and remove. Using a panel tool, carefully unclip the tailgate panel and remove. An installation tip that we recommend is removing all the tree clips still in the door, applying them in the appropriate locations on the back of the panel, and then placing small pieces of Tessa tape over them before reinserting to prevent any unwanted rattle. With the tailgate panel lying face down, drill 2 9/16" holes at the dimples at the bottom of the panel. Install the tailgate panel back into the vehicle by snapping into location. Install 2 L brackets, 45mm spacers, and an M6 by 60mm flathead screw in the bottom of the 2 holes of the tailgate panel with a 4mm Allen wrench. Loosely install 2 M6 by 16mm Torx screws with a T40 Torx driver. Next, loosely install 2 M6 by 16mm Torx screws with a T40 Torx driver. Now you can tighten down the 2 M6 Torx screws at the bottom of the enclosure with a T40 Torx driver. Connect the red wire to the positive terminal and the black wire to the negative terminal of the subwoofer. Install the subwoofer with 8 ST 4.2 by 19mm screws using a T20 Torx. Install the subwoofer grille to the enclosure with 6 ST 4.2 by 19mm screws using a T20 Torx. Secure the subwoofer enclosure wiring along the vehicle's tailgate using zip ties. Then connect the extension harness and continue to the amplifier location and make the proper connections. Now you can reconnect the negative battery terminal of the vehicle. And that completes the assembly of the Quart Jeep JL Wrangler 12-inch sub enclosure.